All right, so right now I'm going to show you how to do this cutting plane line going through here. Now, when you're drawing it, you're just going to kind of eyeball the location of it. There's not a specific offset distance. It just needs this A needs to cut through the bathroom door in front of the stairs, and B needs to cut through the front door and then just come around the ceiling fan and kind of cut through the stairs and the rest of the place. But you'll notice as you do these that they actually have a little arrowhead on top of them. And there's a couple of ways that you can do that arrowhead. So that's just what I'm going to show you guys how to do real quick. When you're doing that, one really popular way is to just do a polyline. And like we just saw, I'll do a polyline over here. You're going to click to start. Then right after you click to start the polyline, you can type W for width. And you're going to set the width to just some number. I don't even know what you want to do it. Maybe at 6, so 6 inches. Or I'm sorry, let me do that again. Polyline, W for width. The starting width is going to be 0 so that it's a point. And the ending width is going to be 6 or whatever it is you decide it should be. And you've got yourself an arrowhead right there. That's an arrowhead that you can use at the end of your line right here. This one actually was not done. 6 inches was a bit big. That's kind of huge there, so maybe not 6 inches. This one right here was done another way. I'll show you how to do that. One thing that I think is pretty cool about doing it with the polyline option is that you can actually do the polyline, click to start, width 0, let's make it 4 inches, set it at a certain height. So maybe we want to make that 12 inches. I'm going to go back to width. So still in the same command, set it back to 0, starting width and ending width. And then we can make it, I don't know how much, an additional 2 feet. I can come straight across here, all the way across my house, go up 2 feet, do the width, starting width at 4 inches, ending width at 0 inch. Pull it up 1 foot. Oops. 1 foot, not 1 inch. Anyway, what's cool about doing it this way is it's one long continuous line. So that's totally an option for you. You can come over here, make sure that it's on, first floor. What is it?
Cutting planes.
Cutting planes. Where do you see that? Oh, there it is, cutting plane. So that it's got that dash to it. So you can do it as one continuous polyline, or you can just do the arrowhead part as a polyline and put it on top of a line. Another option that you have is to come in here and do a leader, multi-leader. And you can, I don't know why it's not. I don't know why the multi-leader is not going straight down for me. But you can just draw the line part and then just kind of escape out of the part where it asks you for text. What's cool about doing this is you can go into the properties and you can adjust the arrowhead size. So arrowhead size, you can make that 4 inches. Sometimes though, if you see that the arrowhead does not appear, it's because I've told the size to be so big that it just doesn't even have room to appear. Or so small. I don't know what happened with that guy. Let's come over here and just do standard multi-leader. Modify. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so tiny. 4 inches. So you can do this, press escape when it comes time for the text. And then what's cool is you can come into properties and you can adjust the arrowhead size. So if that needs to be 6 inches, once you get it on there, you can adjust the size as needed. Whereas this one, you can't. It's got a starting width and an ending width. You can't really go back and adjust the size of that arrowhead. So it's completely up to you how you want to do it. This one right here in this particular drawing, you can tell they did the multi-leader option as opposed to doing a polyline option. Neither one is right or wrong. It's just a personal preference, whatever you prefer there. Do y'all have questions about that?